Welcome to the Hydronia LLC video tutorial series. In our second tutorial, we will illustrate how to incorporate a levee into an existing RiverFlow2D project using the weirs component and the QGIS interface. The problem in this scenario consists in modeling a lateral weir along the right margin of a river, as can be seen here. In this tutorial, we will be doing the following: opening an existing RiverFlow2D project in QGIS, adding a weirs layer, drawing the weir polylines, inputting the weir parameters or attributes, exporting the files to RiverFlow2D, running the RiverFlow2D model, and then reviewing the output files. The files required to follow this tutorial can be found in the following directory on the top right. The weir location can be drawn on the weirs layer, or it can be imported from an existing file. In this tutorial, the polyline that indicates the location of the weir will be imported from a text file. The structure of the file should be as follows. The first line must indicate the number of nodes that contains the polyline. The n successive lines will contain 3 columns with the x, y coordinates. The elevation of the weir crest separated by space as shown. To create the weirs layer, click on the New Template Layer button in the RiverFlow2D toolbar. Activate the weirs checkbox, then click OK. In the Layer panel, we select the weirs layer, and in the Digitalization toolbar, we click on the pencil icon, the Toggle Editing button. A pencil icon will appear in the weirs layer indicating that the layer is in edit mode. Using the Add Feature tool from the Digitalization bar, draw a line anywhere in the map area by just marking 2 vertices or nodes. This line will be replaced by the coordinates of the file we will be importing. Right-click to finish the layout, and a dialog will open to input the weir parameters. The weir parameters should be set to the ones shown here. We click the Import Geometry button and point to the file levees.breakline.txt, which is found in the weir tutorial folder. We can also check the contents of the file being imported by clicking the Weir Crest Elevation for Vertex tab. As you can see, there is a red line with the imported weir vertexes drawn on the model area. Now we save our changes and exit edit mode. We then click the Generate Tri-Mesh button in the RiverFlow2D toolbar, and the mesh is created within the domain outline. Now that we have generated the mesh and have the other layers ready with the necessary data, we will export the files by clicking the Export to RiverFlow2D button. Here we must select the raster layer that contains the digital elevation model, or DEM, and the name of the project to be exported. The name should be entered without any extension. We now have the QGIS files open in the data input program that will run the model. In the left panel under Components section, select Weirs to verify the contents of the weirs file and make sure it is correct. Also verify the weirs checkbox is selected in the Control Data screen. Then click Run RiverFlow2D to run the model. We now wait for the model to complete so we can review the output files. You can find the output files in the project directory. In this example, we use the same directory as the weirs tutorial directory. RiverFlow2D creates an output file with the name of the project and extension .weiri for metric units and .weire for English units. The files report results for each weir and for each output interval. Output files includes the following information. Edge, the segments into which the weir is divided and is given by the length of the cells in contact with the weir. N1 and N2 are the numbers that identify the cells that share the edge segment in the weir. WSE1 and WSE2 are the elevations of the water surface in the cells indicated by N1 and N2. D1 and D2, the depths of the flow in the cells indicated by N1 and N2. Distance, the length of the edge segment. Q, the discharge that passes through the edge segment. This concludes our weirs tutorial. Thanks for watching.